front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Over here. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, you can tap on any of your added password that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then choose Edit button next to the Delete one and type in wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!